Good morning students, how are you? Hope you are fit and fine. Students, today we will read about chapter number 14, Good Food Habits from your EVS book. Okay students, let's start the chapter. Good Food Habits. Eating different kinds of food keep us healthy. Students, if we eat different kinds of food that having energy, that give us energy and help us to grow, and also a healthy food, so that is good for our health. They keep us healthy. Our meal should be consist of, the meal we have to take, that consists of food that help us to grow. The food that help us to grow like dal, egg, meat, beans, fish and milk. These food items help us to grow. And food that give us energy, and we have to take food that give us energy like bread or sweets, potato, sugar, rice, etc. and wheat also beta. And food that help us to fight against diseases, means protective foods like fruits, vegetable and green vegetables. So when we have to take food, all these things in our consist of our meal. Proper food habits. Proper food habits are very important for good health. For good health, we have to take proper food, like food at fixed time. We have to take food at fixed time. We must have our meals at fixed time every day. Means when we have to take our meals, that is on fixed time. We should not eat in between meals. So friends, the meals time will be fixed, and we will not take any food in between of meals. We should not eat too little food. It makes us weak and tired. And when we have to take our meals, it should be in a good proportion, a healthy proportion, that not in a little. It makes us weak and tired. If we have take little food, so we feel tired and weakness. We should not eat too much of fried food, sweets, ice cream and junk food. So when we have to take our meals, it should be in balanced diet. We should not take too much fried food or sweets or ice cream or fast food, because they make us fat. We must always eat a balanced diet to keep ourselves fit and healthy. So when we have to take our meals, it should be in good proportion and it should be balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of energy giving food, body building food and protective food in a right proportion. Clean food. So when we have to take our food, it should be clean. We should wash fruits and vegetables with clean water before cooking or eating them. When we have to eat fruits, or we have to eat vegetables, or we have to cook vegetable, so before use them we have to wash them with clean water. Wash fruits and vegetable like this in a running water. We should not eat uncovered food. We should cover all the food items with a lid or a net. We should not eat stale food. So this is uncovered food, so flies are attract, and that is very bad, and we should cover our food with a lid or a net, so this is good for our health. And we should not eat stale food. We should eat fresh food, not stale food. We should not buy food from the roadside vendors. They sell uncovered food like that. The flies are attracted to the food, and sometimes this food is stale. It has germs, dust and dirt. It can make us sick. So students, we should not take the food from the street vendors or the roadsides, and that should be uncovered, or sometimes it should be stale. And we should not the stale food, we should not eat uncovered food, because it has germs, dust, dirt, and it can make us sick. That is not good for our health. The inside of a refrigerator is cool, so we have to store our food in the refrigerator. Germs cannot grow there, so we store food in the refrigerator. It remains safe. You have to look here. Store food in a refrigerator. There are no germs, and our food should be safe. At the dining table, so there are some rules. At the dining tables, we must eat a clean place only. Okay, after eating, we have to clean the dining table. We must wash our hands before and after having our meals. So before eating, before taking our meals, we should wash our hands before and after every meal. That is good for our health. Eating a clean place like that, and we should wash our hands before and after taking our meals. We must chew our food well and eat slowly. So when we have to take our food, we have to chew it and we have to eat slowly. We should not talk or laugh while eating. So when we have to take our food, we should not talk or laugh. Okay, students? We should always use clean plates and dishes. Like the clean place, we have to use clean plates or clean utensils in which we have to take our food. We must always eat fresh, balanced and nutritious food. So since when we have to take food, we have to keep in our mind that our food is a balanced diet, it is nutritious, or it should be fresh. We should not waste food, because each food grain is precious. So we should not waste food, because each food grains is precious. We should not waste food. We have to take little food. If when necessary, we have to take some more food. Bits of food get stuck between our teeth, so we must clean our teeth after every meal. We should rinse our mouth with water after eating. So when we have to chew our food, the bits of the food stuck in our teeth, so we have to rinse our mouth, we have to brush after every meal. We must have good food habits to stay healthy. We should not overeat. So students, we should eat not little food and we should not overeat. We should eat a balanced diet, and we should brush our teeth after every meal, and we should rinsing our mouth after eating. So if we follow the following good food habits, they keep us healthy and it is very good for our health. So student, let's do some practice. Tick the correct answer. We get energy to work and play from. So friends, which food item that give us energy? From food. If we have not take food, so we feel tired. The meal we take in our afternoon is called, that is called lunch. The meal we take in the morning, that is called breakfast. We take in night, that is called dinner. And the meal we take in afternoon, that is called lunch. Circle the odd one in each group. There are 4 words. Look here: dal, rice, stone and fish. So dal is an eatable thing, rice is also an eatable thing, and fish is also an eatable thing. So odd one out is stone. Banana, apple, grapes, sugar. So students, banana, apple and grapes, these are fruits, and sugar, that is a sweet. So sugar is the odd one out. Come to the next section B. Tick the correct answer. The food that can make us fat. So which food can make us fat? Junk food. Very good. Junk food make us fat. Milk and fruits are protective foods. They are good for our health. We should store food in box, almirah or refrigerator. Yes, the right option is refrigerator. Okay friends, in refrigerator our food is germs free and it should be fresh. Fill in the blanks correctly with the words given below. There are some words: talk, wash, clean, water. So with the help of these words, we have to complete the fill in the blanks. Come to the number 1. We must drink plenty of. हमें बहुत सारा क्या पीना चाहिए? We should have drink plenty of water to stay healthy. We should dash fruits and vegetable with clean water. In the chapter, you have to remember, in the chapter I have already told you, before eating or before use the fruits and vegetables, we have to wash it. So you have to write here wash. We should not dash while eating. We should not talk while eating. We should always use dash plates. Which type of plate we have to use? Clean plates. Answer the following questions. Why should we eat a balanced diet? So students, it is a very important question. Why should we eat a balanced diet? We should eat a balanced diet because a balanced diet consists of energy giving food, protective food and body building food in a right proportion. So to keep ourselves fit and healthy. To keep ourselves fit and healthy. Why should we eat food? We should eat food because they help us to grow. They help us to grow. They help us energy to work and play. They give us energy to work and play. They protect us from diseases. They protect us from diseases. So we should eat food. They help us to grow, give us energy and protect us from diseases. Why should we not buy food from the roadside vendors? So we should not buy food from the roadside vendors because it has germs, dust and dirt, and it can make us sick. It can make us sick. Write 2 good food habits. In your chapter there are so many good food habits. I have mentioned here only 2. So it's your choice. You have to learn any more. Read out these 2 good food habits. We must chew our food well and eat slowly. When we have to take our food, we have to chew it well and eat slowly. We should not talk or laugh while eating. When we have to take our meals, we should not talk or laugh. And there are some more good food habits like wash your hands before and after every meal. We have to take our food in a clean place. We have to take clean plates, or we should take healthy food. We have to take lots of green vegetables and eat a plenty of and drink a plenty of water. And we have to take balanced diet. We do not overeat. So there are so many good habits that given in your chapter. So students, you have to read this chapter thoroughly and learn this exercise and do this exercise with the help of the video. Okay students, let us see in the next video. Okay, bye bye.